Oh my gosh, some dad is sitting at home without 3 large bags of stuffed animals.
That's a lot of plush. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh man, feels so weird filming in the car. I'm on my way right now to do a Facebook Marketplace pickup. Yes, you heard that right. I bought something on Facebook. Well, technically haven't bought it yet. I'm on my way to buy it. I'm gonna look at it first. I still think I'm gonna buy it though. It is a massive lot of plush. I mean, big lot. It's like a guy had 2 pictures worth, a lot of Disney plush, just a lot of plush. My kids saw it, they were like, Dad, we want that. And I was like, oh, I want it too. I want to sell some of this stuff. But they are gonna have first dibs on it too once I get it. But if this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell notification and leave a comment, because hey, your comments really help out the channel. Also the thumbs up too. He said most of the stuff's been in a closet, so he said everything's clean, so I can't wait to see it, and hopefully I purchase this. Okay guys, I'm back in the car. Man, I just turned on my flashers again. I got my hand sitting there. But yeah, I just picked these up. They already had them bagged up for me, which was nice. 3 big black garbage bags full of plush. Still don't know how many are in it. Looked at the pictures again. They wanted a grand total of $30 for them all. And I'm gonna show you real quick the bag that I put up here, just so I can show you. But this gigantic mini is in the one. There's also a gigantic Olaf in there too. But right now, I'm driving on a very windy road. Probably should not be filming this, but I just had to show you guys. Not sure if I'm gonna show them to you. I have to go pick up my kids from Girl Scouts. I may do a haul there, or I may just wait till I get home and set them all out. Which I'll probably just do that, because it actually is pretty cold outside and there are a ton of plush. So yeah, 30 bucks for all these. Most of them are Disney. There's a Daniel Tiger in there, there's a Penguin, there's a Pittsburgh Penguin one in there, there's Paw Patrol, Goofy, Minnie, Mickey, just all that kind of stuff. I think just the Disney ones alone are well worth it. And I mean, this gigantic Minnie and the gigantic Olaf I think is gonna be really good too. I mean, you can see this thing sitting next to me right here. It's crazy how big this thing is. Right there. Next time you see me, I'll have them all out.
Oh my gosh, some dad is sitting at home without 3 large bags of stuffed animals.
Okay guys, we are back at the house. By now you should have seen my wife's reaction to this, but we're gonna go through these 3 big bags and show you guys how much plush is here. The kids are already having fun with it.
Yes, I'm so happy.
Here's this
They're probably like
unicorn.
COVID.
Here's a unicorn with a stethoscope on it. Okay. We'll start with this bag.
This is crazy.
A gigantic mini.
Oh my god.
Michaela, look.
And this is a... and it's actually a Disney plush. So that's good.
Yay.
Olaf. Oh, look at this.
One of my kids would love that.
Look at this gigantic penguin. I could take this to the penguin game and do this.
I love penguins.
One of my students would seriously love that.
Oh my gosh.
What is
A hamster. This hamster is a...
what?
A hamster.
Yeah, but I know... What is this?
A dog.
No, isn't that, what's his name?
No.
That's not who... Are you sure?
Who are you talking about?
Ted, or... Is that what his name?
No, it's a dog.
Yes, you're right. Okay.
Look how cute this. Can I
So
have
that's
this?
that.
I want that.
Here's
I
an
want
Elsa
that.
pillow.
I want that.
Can I see that real quick to show the camera?
I want that. No.
Baby shark.
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay.
Do, do, do,
What's
do.
this? Secret
That's a
life of
rabbit.
Secret Life of Pets.
Another. Oh.
Here is a dandy collector's choice home run rabbit. Interesting. Here is a mini Easter bunny, which
Get that listed.
guess what? Easter's coming.
I like Easter bunny.
You like Easter bunny?
This is so cute.
Mermaid.
Ooh. I like mermaid.
Okay. And the Easter bunny. That's
Oh, big dog.
frog.
Big dog.
A turtle.
Ooh.
Trip Total Media. Those like sock monkeys, huh? Like
Yeah.
penguin sock monkeys. Or sock penguins. Another bear.
This is already messy. That sings. Show her.
How'd you do that?
What at the button?
Is there a button somewhere?
No?
Can you find the red in the video? Should be over there. This
I don't
is
know.
unreal.
Jake
Better be
and the
on.
Neverland Pirates. That's a really nice one there.
It's like messy already.
Yeah, we gotta.
I don't know.
Oh
I don't know what that is.
yeah. It's a
dog.
dog. A big one, a big
RBI. It's, oh.
I like it.
You like him?
Yeah.
He might find a new home though.
Oh yeah.
Shark, another bear. Shark.
Cook. Ooh.
His tail's coming off.
Yeah, that one's a little dirty, so this one's gonna go in the garbage.
Don't touch it, guys.
Steely McBeam. Snowman. A winter classic Forever Bear with the penguin jersey on it. You're shaking your head. What's wrong?
This is crazy, guys.
They're all going downstairs
They
as
are.
soon as we're done here.
Look at that monkey.
Ooh.
Look at that monkey. Another penguin bear holding a stick.
Cool.
Monkey.
This is
A globe. My natural. It's a globe. It's a stuffed globe. This is a lot.
Yeah.
Put this down.
Why did you buy all of it?
Here, get that dirty shark out of there.
Here is a Victoria's Secret dog. Pink tag on it and everything.
That's so cute.
That's not really plush.
We're done.
There's
Frog.
our Bentley, Bailey.
Can I wait until we're done?
No, mermaid.
Finally, look, it's going to me. That
No,
is.
it's not.
Where did you give it to me?
You just took it out of his hands.
Another, is that like a dinosaur? Mm-hmm. It has something. It has a battery pack like it must light up. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage. I don't know what that is.
That's a lizard?
It's a lizard.
Another lizard there. Curious George. I don't know what that is.
Horse.
Another monkey. Stingray from the petting zoo.
I want this.
Oh,
Lobster?
lobster. That's a cool lobster. You gotta admit, that's cool.
Hear that. A little owl.
What's that?
Can I show him?
Spider?
Her dad, it's from
I can't take it.
There's really nothing else that was noteworthy in that one except for this little Curious George. There's like a couple little bears. So that's that bag.
Is that an owl?
Okay.
I'll take that.
We got this monkey. Guess that's Secret Life of Pets again.
Yes. This is my favorite dog.
This is the
Puppy surprise.
yeah puppy.
How many are in there?
Only 3 puppies, guys.
Then there's this dog. This dog's heavy, so there must be. I think it walks.
I always had trouble putting these back in.
And there's a turtle.
Ninja Turtle.
Daisy.
Turtle.
You have a lot in your hands.
Why?
Is this?
Lion.
He has his name written on the tag.
Wait, can
That's
I have
okay.
it then?
Another bear. Goofy. Is this Secret Life of Pets?
This could go to Joey Bada Bing.
Is this Secret Life of Pets?
Wait, let me see that. Yes. Wait, let me see that real quick.
Minnie. Some other little Paw Patrols. These are like Thai Paw Patrols. So we'll probably get lotted up.
Hey, Dad. This could go to Joey Bada Bing.
Paw Patrol ties. I don't know what this thing is.
Lamb.
Lamb holding a baby lamb.
Look.
This is that. I can't remember that name of that show.
Wait, let me see it.
There's a Mickey.
That's
PJ Masks.
PJ Masks.
Oh, here's an Olaf, and this thing must dance or something.
That's a little walk. Hold that.
It is.
Yeah.
It must take batteries. It's heavy. There. Again, this something
I
here
want
takes
to have a cow.
something here takes batteries. Bunch of these.
What's that?
What is this? A unicorn pillow.
Oh. I like that. I like that. I want to go on
A
the
dandy
cow.
bear.
Oh, no, this is
No.
Barbie.
I want to go on the couch, Mommy.
Hold on.
This is like got
Is
full of
someone
fluff.
making that dog noise?
Here's this bear.
Oh, it's that. Where's some...
That's supposed to be Cookie.
Yeah, Cookie
Terrible
Monster.
looking Cookie
That was-
Monster.
Where's the penguin?
I don't think is that what that's supposed to be?
Yes.
Looks like a mixture of a Kermit the Frog and
That's-
Cookie.
That's what I was thinking. Here, watch yourself. This thing from Marvel. And then
I know, we're gonna have to get all these.
Scooby
Scooby-Doo.
and 2 more mermaids.
Those mermaids are nice. I have the small one that you have in your hand. This is so
So that is the haul. That's a lot of plush. Way more than it looked in 3 garbage bags. I don't know if I mentioned it before in the video. We spent a grand total of $30 on all this.
Wow.
I really feel that there's a lot of cash sitting here. Gonna be a lot of listing, but some easy pictures though. Just take a picture and list. So if you're interested in any of the plush that you did see here, reach out to me.
No.
Emails down below, Instagram.
Mine.
However, just reach out to me. Hopefully this video will go up sooner than later.
So, stay safe and stay healthy and keep